Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Virgo sign with the earth. Tawag dito earth element. Yan ha. Lala Baby po nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and shares. General po ito, hindi po ito personal. Salamat po sa inyong dasala. Successful naman po yung aking opera nitong August 12, Tuesday. Okay? Kumbaga dito nagpapahinga lang ako. Ha? So let's see your energy from your past and para sa today, sa present, at ano ang naghihintay sa inyo sa future. Okay? Virgo, your past, di ba? So nakikita dito, yung tinatawag na it's like separating your minds. Okay? Yan. Okay? Separating your minds. It's like pamamahinga. Okay? Yan. Sandali lang, ha? Titingnan ko lang ito, ha? It's about your decision. Making decision, the right decision. Following your soul, okay? Following your inner voice. It's like you're listening, okay, to your inner voice. Sandali lang, ha? Okay. So, ang nakikita ko dito is tinatawag narito, it's more about your mind. Diba? It's like from the past, okay, before you make an action, a decision, okay? It's like pinakikinggan mo muna, okay? Hindi ka, you're taking time, okay? Hindi ka nagmamadali. Yan. Kumbaga dito pinag-aaralan mo. Maybe you are praying, di ba, to God, na kung para makapag-desisyon ka, makapili ka, di ba? Yan. So that's your past nagsasalita, okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito, from the past, it's like an opportunity, a door's opening, okay? An invitation for you, okay? Be it love, romance, trabaho man ito, a relationship, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na pinag-iisipan mong mabuti bago ka gumawa ng pag-oo, ng action, ng decision, okay? So whatever is that in the past, kung ano ito nagbukas sa inyo, di ba? Okay. Okay, so for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na from the past, di ba? Hindi naging madali sa inyo, okay? Ang tinatawag na buhay, maybe pakikipagrelasyon. So for some of you, narito yung tinatawag, maaring pagod na kayo, okay? Sa inyong tinatawag na trabaho, di ba? Relationship. It has something to do about relationship. That's why from the past nakikita dito, yan, it's like tinatawag dehydrated, di ba? Bagsak ang energy, di ba? It's like gusto lang nila yung tinatawag na sila it's like charging their battery, di ba? Kaya it's like tinatawag na there is a decision you have to make para magbago, to change, okay? Kung ano itong tinatawag na nagpapahirap sa iyo, di ba? Yan. Kung kaya dito, from the past, ibig sabihin nito, dumating ito, okay? Ito na siguro yung dinadasal mo, di ba? That's why, ibig sabihin nito, you want to be firm, to be sure, okay? Na ito ang magpapalaya sa iyo. Kung ano man itong nagbukas sa iyo from the past, ito ang magpapalaya sa iyo para dito. Di ba? Yeah. So, yan na nakita ko sa iyo from the past. Di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag action na. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, okay. You made the decision from the past. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na kung ano man ang daladala nito, napakaganda. Diba? From the past ito. Yan. It's like ito lang ang hinihintay mo. Okay? Para makarecover ka, makabuelo. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, nagdesisyon ka. From the past, nagdesisyon ka. Di ba? Naging firm ka. It's like tinatawag na you want out. Gusto mong makaalis dito. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, masyado ang sufferings ko, masyado pagkapagod ko. Di ba? Masyado ako ditong tuyot na tuyot, drained na drained. Di ba? Na burn out. So, it's about decision. Okay? Kaya dito, narito ka sa tinatawag na the Two of Swords. Di ba? Yan. It's like sinasabi mo dito na, okay, maliit na ang mundo ko. I don't want here. It's like maliit na yung kwarto ko. Diba? Maliit na yung, masyado na suffocated. I need to go. I need to go out. Yan ha. Kaya dito, it's about your tinatawag firm decision and action. Diba? So, nakikita dito, very, very optimistic ka in the past. Full of energy, vitality. Okay? So, tingnan natin ang today. The today for Virgo. Okay? Okay. So, this is you na. Diba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, nagkakaroon na ng structure. Okay? Or maaring dahan-dahang nagkakaroon na ng structure ang buhay mo. Diba? Ang pangarap mo. Ang iyong tinatawag na goals, mission. Diba? So, it's like tinatawag, ngayon, you are in control. Diba? You are in control of your happiness, of your life. Diba? Yan, the Emperor. Okay? It's like ngayon, meron kayong tinatawag na it's about your power. Maybe in the past, narab ka. Okay? Narab ka ng tinatawag na power. You are not given a power. So ngayon, it's about claiming your power. It's like hawak mo ang oras mo. Yan, no? Kasi narito on the Wheel of Fortune. Hawak mo ang oras mo, 'di ba? It's like you can go out, you can travel, okay? You can take a rest, you can it's about dito nakikita, 'di ba? It's about blessings. Marami nang nangyayaring blessings sa inyo sa ngayon, 'di ba? So for some of you, maybe ito yung tinatawag, blessed ka sa, kung halimbawa may asawa ka, blessed ka sa trabaho mo. For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, you are working abroad, okay? Maaring dito, blessed ka sa mga taong ka-interaction mo. And nakikita dito yung tinatawag na traveling, okay? How many travels you already made ngayon sa present, okay? Ilan ang travels ang nagawa mo outside the country, okay? So it's about your education. For some of you, yung tinatawag na achievement, it's about fulfillment, it's about graduation, di ba? Okay? Kasi you're in power here. It's like hindi matatawaran ang iyong talino, pagkatao mo, di ba? So it's like tinatawag here, okay? It's like you're the alchemist of your own destiny, of your own life, di ba? Okay? You can do what you want. Kung kaya mong gumawa ng pera, kaya mong gumawa ng pera. Kung kaya mong gumawa ng pag-ibig, dito, as above, so below. Okay? The kingdom come, they will be done on earth as it is in heaven. What goes up, goes down. What goes down, goes up. Diba? So it's about your mission. Kaya narito on the Wheel of Fortune at tinatawag na the Emperor. Okay? It's about your mission, your goals, what you want to achieve. Diba? Success. For some of you, nakikita ko very, very successful. Okay? It's like tinatawag, the world is in my hand. Okay? I can control the time. I can control. It's like in control sila. Okay? Of everything. Diba? So, nakikita dito ang pagiging generous din ninyo. It's like from the past, you are the one na asking, begging. Diba? But not now anymore. Yan, no? You're in a position. Okay? Of giving, sharing, okay? So, let's see your future, di ba? Yan. Napakabait ninyo, mapagmahal ninyo, okay? Yan. It's like kung sino itong mga dinapuan ninyo, okay? Dumapo sa inyo, is napakaswerte nila. Yan, no? It's like, tinatawag like, parang sky's the limit, di ba? Maybe you also will receive rewards or sabihin na natin blessings from others, let's say family, di ba? Sa trabaho, di ba? Sa asawa. Or kung ikaw naman ito, ganun ka rin. It's like you are sharing your blessings, di ba? You love, mahal mo ang mga taong mababa kaysa sa iyo, the poorest of the poor, especially kung it does not matter if it's your family, your in-laws, your friends, kung sino man yan, okay? The two of wands, okay, yan. So nakikita dito in the future, di ba? Okay, it's more about tinatawag na taking more time for yourself. Maybe you will enroll for a tinatawag na activities like gym, di ba? Bodybuilding. It's more about building muscles, di ba? Yan. For some of you in the future, nakikita ko for you. Okay, so it's about leisure. It's about tinatawag na, kasi ngayon, it's like tinatawag you are very, very blessed, okay? So whatever is this, nakikita dito yung tinatawag the lovers. It's like, in the future, may magpapakasal dito, di ba? Okay, siguro kaya dito, it's like tinatawag preparation. Kailangan yung tinatawag na in good shape siya. Kasi meron siyang preparation. It's like tinatawag na na kami. Ito na yung soulmate ko. Hindi, let's say sabi natin for so many years magkakilala na tayo. Let's tinatawag yung magtali na tayo to become one. Okay, maybe sa munisipyo o kaya sa simbahan, di ba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito ang soulmate mo. Okay? Yan. Maybe, ang isa dito is ito, kung ikaw man ito, kung sino ito, di ba? Yan, meron dito, they love music, they love play guitar. Ikaw ba yan o yung mapapangasawa mo o yung iyong darling, okay? They love music, they love guitar, okay? Pero nakikita dito, ikaw, very, very conscious ka, okay? Body conscious, okay? So for some of you, it's like tinatawag, what you got, yan narito yung tinatawag the Oklahoma, okay? The Seven of Pentacles, di ba? Okay? So it's more about, ang nakikita ko for you is, you will, okay, teka muna ha. It's about managing, okay? Yan. Yan in the future, it's about managing your wealth. Diba, maybe properties, hectares of grounds, diba? So, nakikita dito, maybe in the future, you will live in a countryside somewhere, okay, in the state of Oklahoma. You love more of tinatawag na, maybe it's your, pagka nag-pension ka, okay, nag-retired ka, maaring sa bukid, or kaya sa tinatawag na abroad, pero doon sa countryside. Diba? Okay? So, nakikita dito, what you gonna do? What you will do? It's like you are looking, diba? Sa yung tinatawag na wealth, diba? What you gonna do? So, it's about there is contentment, diba? Enjoying your life. And nakikita ko for some of you in the future, enjoying your life, diba? Let's say, sabihin natin, on the side of Oklahoma, it's more on countryside. Maybe you will buy a hectares of lands, okay, with the horses, maybe simple life, but very, very rich.